Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Rent app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Rent is a rental property search app developed to help users find apartments and homes quickly and conveniently. The app offers extensive property listings with photos, prices, and detailed neighborhood information. Users can filter searches by location, budget, size, and amenities, save favorites, schedule visits, and communicate directly with landlords or property managers. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive database make house hunting simpler for renters. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Rent for its easy navigation and helpful filters that narrow down options efficiently. The ability to contact landlords within the app and schedule tours adds convenience. However, some users report occasional outdated or unavailable listings, which can be frustrating. Availability may also vary depending on the area searched. In summary, the Rent app may be worth using if you want a streamlined, all-in-one platform for searching rental properties with useful communication tools. However, if you need the most up-to-date listings or are in a less covered location, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.